Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by placing the Excel workbook where Google can reach it. Sign into Google Drive and upload the XLSX file now. Once done, make sure you check the option to convert to Google Sheets for native features. That conversion gives you sync-friendly structure and avoids format loss. You'll keep the original Excel copy locally, export if needed. This step sets up a live editable sheet so Google's tools can reference it, which is why conversion matters. Now you create the actual sync link. If you want one-way updates, use File Publish to the web and grab the CSV link. Google Sheets can import that URL with import data. For mirrored files, install Drive for desktop to keep local Excel and Drive copies aligned automatically. Once you need two-way synchronization, updates both ways, connect Power Automate or a trusted add-on that maps ranges. That tool handles changes, timestamps, and conflict rules so edits don't overwrite important data. Finish by setting automatic refresh. Schedule import data refreshes or configure the sync tool's trigger frequency so updates propagate. Then test by editing a cell in Excel and another in Sheets to confirm behavior. Make sure formats like dates and currencies remain consistent because conversion can change formats. If something goes wrong, check file permissions, reconvert if necessary, and inspect sync logs for errors. That single troubleshooting tip. Verify permissions and conversion settings. Fix.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.